we're moving into a house. We have not seen the inside of the house.
Yeah, I forgot.
Hi everyone. Is it recording? Can you see me? I just got a new camera. The quality is probably a lot better than my older videos, so yay! This is gonna be awkward. I haven't been on camera in a really long time. I missed you guys. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to revive the channel. Woo, let's bring it back. I want to start filming again. There's so many exciting things happening in my life, and I just want to bring you guys along. And even if you guys don't want to watch the videos, I just want to have these videos so that I can look back on them because there's so many great things happening. We got engaged. See, I zoom in. So we got engaged in October of 2020, so we will be wedding planning. There's so many exciting things with that. That's only like a small portion of what's going on. The biggest thing is we're moving. Last time I was on YouTube, it was like 2 years ago. It's been a long time, but I moved in with Michael in his home, and we made it our own home, and it's really beautiful, but it's time for us to move on. And so we're moving on. I'm gonna go grab him so he can be in the vlog too. Michael, do you wanna be in my vlog?
Sure. What do I do?
Come on this side. So I was just updating everybody on what's going on. So I haven't really told him much details yet.
Perfect. Where do we start?
He's a little camera shy. Can you come like a little closer to the camera? Ooh, that lighting. Okay, so we're moving.
Yes, we are. Today, today's the 31st. It's the last day in this house. For our first house together.
Yeah,
and
it's
now,
really hard to leave.
It is. Now
we're standing in our bedroom right now. It's empty, and but yeah, we're moving, and it's really exciting, and it's just a lot at once.
Changing jobs, changing home, changing states, and doing a project home at the same time instead of a newly built home.
Oh yeah, so I didn't tell them yet. So we're buying a house on the river in Oregon, and we're like completely remodeling it. So the thing with that is we were supposed to move in tomorrow. So we sold our house, right? And we had everything lined up. It's like, okay, we had the movers come, Scout's in the background. Oh. So we had the movers all lined up. They already like moved all of our stuff, obviously, all booked for them. You're just like, I can see you getting like angrier as I'm telling them. So there's a little bit of drama that happened. Now we can't move into this house yet. So we're still buying the house. We're still moving in there. The issue is, I'll let you take it away.
The issue is the renters that are currently living there don't
Oh,
want to
it's
leave.
a rental property. We haven't mentioned that. The house that we're moving into is previously used as a rental home, so there's multiple people living there currently, and they were given a notice, but they don't want to leave.
So yeah, they don't want to leave. They're hunkering down, so we have lawyers involved. We have...
Oh, I'm just looking at myself. I need to look at the camera. I'm so sorry.
Let's see, what else do we have involved? We have lawyers. We are trying to figure out the scheduling with the moving truck, along with whatever projects we can start doing while they're still living there. So instead of them being out in 35 days, they're trying to stay till 90 plus days. So it's fun.
So it kind of delays our project a little bit, and we are homeless. If we're being dramatic, if you want to be dramatic about it, thankfully we do have a place that we can stay in the meantime. It's not the ideal situation at all, but we're gonna make it work, and that just shows life isn't perfect. Like, we have so many exciting things happening, but it's like, it's not perfect. He's really sad about leaving. He does not like change. He knows we're leaving. It's really sad. But yeah, we will still be updating you guys, because even though the renters are not leaving that house and we can't move in there until who knows when, we're still gonna be starting on outdoor projects. So whatever we can do, you know, let's just cut down some trees.
Put a fence up.
Put up a fence for the dogs. Maybe cause a little bit of ruckus, a little bit of noise. I do feel really bad because obviously that was their home and like we're kicking them out. But at the same time, we're buying it. They were given a notice, so I don't know what to say about that. I do feel bad. How do you feel?
I mean, I feel bad that, yeah, they do have to leave their home, but they were renters. They did know their time was going to come. There was ample time before the notice. There was time before that they were aware that, you know, the property was going to potentially sell, to start making arrangements, and they chose to instead pretty much blockade themselves inside the house.
Yeah, so that's what we're dealing with. I don't want to be like super negative because it is like really mostly good things that are happening once we get into this house. Oh, another thing, you guys, we're crazy. We're moving into a house. We have not seen the inside of the house.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
We're literally buying this house. We haven't seen the inside. This house was built in the 70s, so we're assuming it's gonna be like very much of a throwback moment. It's been used as a rental property for the last 20 years.
But the reason why we chose this house, even though we haven't seen the inside, was because of the overall size of the property, being on a river, and then being close to work, and, you know, feeling at ease when we're on that property and seeing, you know, we could see our life there and see the potential in the house and what we could change. So it may seem crazy that we bought a house without seeing the inside, but, you know, luckily we're remodeling the inside anyways. So at least things could change, and, you know, overall we know how many bedrooms and bathrooms and that kind of stuff are there. So at least we have that down. It's just, you know, the details of what we're ripping out and changing the layout slightly, but hopefully not too much.
Yeah, oh my gosh. We could do like a whole nother video about like the details of the house. I guess if you guys have any questions, because this is like a lot happening, just comment down below and please leave us your questions, because we could do a whole video just answering questions.
Or give any tips.
Yeah,
on remodeling, dealing with renters that don't leave, and anything else that you feel like is
and
helpful.
Wedding planning. So we're also having this as our wedding venue. So we're gonna be showing wedding planning, like wedding vlogs, as well as like lifestyle remodel. I'm still gonna be showing beauty, but yeah, I'm just excited to share our lives with you guys and get this going.
Yeah.
Share the good and the bad and the drama and the ugly. It'll be really exciting when we see the inside of the house, and we can take you guys along and say like, oh, you guys are seeing it with us for the first time. So, you know, we'll see what it looks like.
See how it goes, and I'll work on being less awkward on camera too.
Same. So that's the update. That is what's happening with us. And I'm gonna insert some clips of our empty house tour here because I never got to do a house tour. I stopped doing YouTube, and I'm glad that I took that break because it was a really good time for us. I feel like to just chill without a lot of social media and just be together and be with myself too. I've always been on social media so much, but I'm ready to get back and share everything that's happening. So here is our empty house tour. It's really hard to leave this beautiful home not knowing what we're going into and not actually having a place to really call our own home just yet. But here's our house. I'm sad that we never got to film it like a furnished home tour, but I will throw in some clips of my makeup room because I did film some clips of what it looked like. I just never ended up posting anything, unfortunately, but it was like so beautiful, my beautiful beauty room. And I will have one eventually. It might not be for a while, but I'll have a beauty room again. Thank you guys for watching and joining us for this journey, and please ask all the questions that you have. It's gonna take me a while to get used to being on camera again, and I think it's gonna take Michael a while to get used to being on camera because he never was. But I'm gonna just start weekly vlogging. I don't know how often I'll post, but I will try and post as often as I can and just keep you guys updated on everything. So please subscribe, please like to boost for the algorithm, all the things. And you guys can follow us on Instagram. We made an Instagram for the home. We might not be posting for a bit. If we can post like outside stuff, because we're gonna try and get like those outdoor projects going, we will do that. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.